See the question number 15, children. They ask you to find out the area of the shaded region. So area of the shaded region is this part. Okay. For finding this one, what we have to do means, first we must find out area of the quadrant with radius 14 centimeter. So 1 by 4 pi r square. So first we must write 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 40. We will get the full area of this quadrant. That is 154 meter square. Next, ABC is a right triangle angled at A. So apply Pythagoras theorem, because for finding the semicircle area we need the diameter or radius. Okay, radius BC. But BC directly they are not given the value. For finding the value of BC, consider the right triangle CAB or BAC. BC square equal to AB square plus AC square. We will get 14 root 2 centimeter. That is BC. So radius of this, we are having a semicircle here. Here a quadrant, here a right circle. This is a semicircle. Okay, with the BC as diameter. Okay, but BC is diameter is 14 root 2. So what will be the radius? 7 root 2 centimeter. For finding the shaded region, first we must find out each one's area separately. Then it is easy to substitute the value. Okay. So first I am going to find the area of a triangle ABC, half BH. So half into 14 into 14, we will get 98 centimeter square. Next, we must find out area of semicircle. This semicircle, full semicircle's area with BC as diameter. So area of semicircle is pi r square by 2. So r is 7 root, isn't it? So 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 root 2 into 7 root 2. Simplify it, you will get 154 centimeter square. Then area of a segment. How we will get area of a segment? Area of this sector minus area of right triangle BAC. Okay. So for that, area segment BC finding, we must find out area of sector. So theta is 90 degree. Already we find out area of this sector as a quadrant. It is acting as a quadrant. We got the area of the quadrant first itself 154. That you must substitute here. Okay. Minus area of triangle also we found out. That 98 you substitute. The subtraction we will get this as 56. So this only shaded area. So already we find out area of a semicircle. Area of a semicircle minus area of the segment, we will get the shaded portion area. So what is area of semicircle? 154 centimeter square. Already we did it. Okay. Area of a segment, we find out area of a quadrant minus area of a triangle. We got that as 56. Okay. So 154 minus 56, we will get the final answer, area of the shaded portion, that is 98 centimeter square. Okay. So most of the sums, whatever formula we are applying, based on that only it will come. Okay. So this one I didn't do in one step because it will get a confusion for you people. That is why I splitted all that section separately, then did it. Okay. So you can do, if you are expert, you can do it in that also. Okay. In different ways also you can do. Your thinking and my thinking, it will be vary, but final answer all must get the same one. Okay. Thank you children. So whatever is there, the remaining sums, the same pattern of questions only you must do as a homework and do it in your notebook. Don't want to send to the teachers. Okay. So in revision time we will go through all the balance extra sums are there, means we can see that in interactive section also. Whatever we left out, we can practice that sums in the interactive sections. Okay. Thank you very much.